Volleyball rules. Each team has 6 players on the court. 3 in the front row and 3 in the back row. The ball must go over the net in 3 hits or less. A team can hit the ball up to 3 times to return it over the net. No player can hit the ball twice in a row. A single player cannot make consecutive contacts with the ball except during a block. The ball must stay inside the boundaries. If the ball lands outside the court lines or touches an object out of bounds, it's out. Rally scoring system is used. A point is scored on every serve, no matter which team served. A serve must go over the net without help. The server stands behind the end line and must serve the ball over the net, cleanly and without a teammate's help. Players rotate clockwise after winning a serve. Teams rotate positions each time they win back the serve. Touching the net is not allowed. Players must not touch the net during play, especially while spiking or blocking. A ball can be played off the net if it stays in bounds. If the ball touches the net but still lands in play, the rally continues. A match is played best 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 5 sets. Each set is played to 25 points, win by 2, with a possible 5th set played to 15 points. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.